Welcome to our comprehensive guide on flight simulation for beginners on PS5. Get ready to take off into the exciting world of virtual flying. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the essential controls. Knowing your controller layout is crucial for optimal flying management. Next, don't forget to adjust your settings. Finding the right configuration can greatly enhance your gaming experience. When starting out, selecting the right aircraft is vital. Stick with beginner-friendly planes to build your skills and confidence. Basic navigation skills are essential. Familiarize yourself with GPS and other navigation tools to manage your flights effectively. Understanding how weather conditions impact flying and visibility is crucial for every aspiring pilot. Remember, practice makes perfect. Utilize training modes and tutorials to improve your skills and gain confidence. Engage with online communities and forums. They are great resources for ongoing learning and tips from experienced pilots. In conclusion, remember these tips as you take your first flights. The virtual skies await you, new pilot.